Multiple choice quiz. Definition of international law. 1. What does international law primarily regulate? A. Relations between individuals. D. Relations between states and international actors. C. Domestic legal systems. D. Relations between regions within a state. Answer: B. Relations between states and international actors. 2. Which of the following is not considered a source of international law? A. Treaties. D. Customary practices. C. Domestic legislation. D. Judicial decisions. Answer: C. Domestic legislation. 3. What is the principle that emphasizes the independence and autonomy of states within their territorial boundaries? A. Equality of states. B. Sovereignty. C. Diplomatic immunity. D. Jurisdiction. Answer: B. Sovereignty. 4. What is the main function of treaties in international law? A. To establish diplomatic relations between states. B. To provide guidelines for domestic legislation. C. To establish legal obligations and rights between states. D. To regulate the conduct of individuals within a state. Answer: C. To establish legal obligations and rights between states. 5. Which of the following is an example of soft law in international relations? A. United Nations Charter. D. Universal Declaration of Human Rights. C. General Assembly resolutions. D. Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations. Answer: C. General Assembly resolutions. 6. What does extraterritorial jurisdiction refer to? A. State's authority over its own territory. B. A state's authority outside its territory. C. The jurisdiction of international organizations. D. The rights of diplomats in foreign countries. Answer: B. A state's authority outside its territory. 7. What does state immunity protect states from? A. Legal proceedings in domestic courts. B. Diplomatic sanctions. C. Trade restrictions. D. Human rights violations. Answer: A. Legal proceedings in domestic courts. 8. What is self-determination in international law? A. The right of states to determine their own territory. D. The right of peoples to determine their political status. C. The right of individuals to choose their citizenship. D. The right of states to secede from international organizations. Answer: B. The right of peoples to determine their political status. 9. What is the legal implication of recognition of states and governments? It establishes diplomatic relations between states. B. It determines territorial boundaries. C. It creates or confirms the legal status of a state or government. D. It grants immunity from international law. Answer: C. It creates or confirms the legal status of a state or government. 10. What does state succession refer to? A. The transfer of power within a state. D. The transfer of rights, obligations, and assets from one state to another. C. The dissolution of a state. D. The recognition of new states by existing ones. Answer: B. The transfer of rights, obligations, and assets from one state to another.